What's up, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good night. It depends from where you are watching me right now. I'm saying thank you. So today we're gonna react to another Ethiopian music, another Ethiopian vibe music, and this is my first time, to react to her music. Let's see the title here. I love her music. The title is like Sabrina Jamal Yaha Jalale official cover video music, video Oromo music. So without wasting time, let's dive into it and feel the vibe. Respect the music, respect the sound, and I respect you, Jamal. I don't know. So without wasting time, let's dive into it and feel the vanguard. I really love the music. I enjoyed it. Let's start from the beginning here, and here we go. This is it. And who Briku Film Production. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Wow. She got the voice, she got the melody. I really love the way. Amutikiri shikiri parari. I don't know how to do it, but she got the swag. When I say the swag, like she having it. Oh my God. I really nice trumpet, nice music, nice city. This is the city of Adisia, Baba, man. And the music is, a lot of creation. And I love the video, man. Oh my God.
Yotti tabatte kafusi naiti Hawidu garra ya umati Tangarlamanin ta'u qabdi Yokka sintane habu qabdi Rikicha dabru namaddi Yokka sintane habu qabdi Rikicha dabru namaddi
Yo guys, thank you so much for watching it, and thank you so much for great support. If you love my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. I really enjoying it, and I hope you too, you enjoy the music. So without wasting time, let's say goodbye. See you on my next video. Respect.